everybody, it's Valerie here from the All Toy Collector channel with baby Eli and Toby! Hey Toby! Well, guess what? Today we have this really awesome Melissa and Doug grocery store. Right here it says grocery store, but actually you can flip it up and it says lemonade stand. So, grocery store lemonade stand. Today we're not going to do a lemonade stand, we are going to go grocery shopping. Wow! Isn't that cool? Oh, Eli thinks it's cool too. Did he say whoa? Whoa? Yeah, he's hungry, so we better go shopping and hopefully this store has some baby food. So here's baby Eli. He has a grocery cart and he's ready to fill it up. Toby, do you see any baby food for him?
Yeah!
Oh boy!
What? They only have the nasty kind.
Oh no, they only have the nasty kinds. Well, you know what? He's hungry. We need something. Just grab it.
Then why?
Oh, it looks like there's sweet peas and spinach or something. And then, oh.
Good one, but
Yeah, that one's okay, the sweet potato. Yeah, oh. And what else is there to buy? Pizza. Do you think Eli could eat pizza or is that for you? Okay, Toby, you can get some pizza. Eli, he wants a baby food already.
Pizza.
Hey Eli, are you hungry? Oh wow. So Toby found a random waffle in there. Let's see what else is here. It looks like there's some cookies from fruits and vegetables, bananas, ice cream scoop. Wow, some more cookies, chips, apples. And what is this? Fish. Ew. Just kidding, my kids love fish. Do you want the fish?
Yeah!
Okay, put it in the cart.
Looks like the baking supplies is not for sale. Oh, because it doesn't have a price.
Whoa, actually, Toby, everything's not marked. Normally with this playset, you can use some chalk and write down the prices on everything, but today it is a mystery. Does that mean everything's free?
No, it says $1 each.
$1 each? Well, we're going to use this Barbie cash register to ring things up. Do we need any more groceries at the store? What did Eli pick out?
Apple.
Apple! Oh, very healthy. Good choice. Is everything $1?
Yeah.
So our cart is not too full, but enough. Apples, baby food,
Bananas.
some pizza, fish. Oh, do you want to get the bananas? Well, I think we're done. Why don't we check out before Eli starts crying because he's getting so hungry. He just wants an apple.
Hello.
Hello, that is so cool. Let me try that. Hello. How do you do it? Hello? Okay, let's check out. Clean up on aisle 5.
What do you mean?
Okay, so we just bring everything up. Good. So I'll scan some things. Wait, bananas. Scan that. Oh, there we go. I think we scanned a few things twice, but that will be okay because it looks like baby Eli was eating this apple still. Here, you can keep it. Ooh, is that yummy? Is that yummy? He likes apples.
Wait. $11.
The total's $11? Okay, well, I don't have any money. What should we do?
I know. I have some money.
Oh, you have some money?
I'll use my credit card.
What? Toby, you have a credit card? That's news to me.
There you go, Mom. I really saved you this time.
All Toy Collector fans, I do rate this Melissa and Doug grocery store a 5 out of 5. It is really sturdy. I like that it included so many shelves. And there's actually even some shelving right on the side here. It's really creative that they have these chalkboards so you can write down and erase each item. And I like that it can be a lemonade stand or a grocery store. You know, this would actually be really adorable to set up outside during a garage sale or something and have your own lemonade stand. Now, all Toy Collector fans, would you rather play with this toy as a grocery store or a lemonade stand? What do you think, Toby?
Both.
Both, yeah. Well, that's good. That's why it's here, that you can do both. I think I would rather play with a grocery store. Well, thanks for watching, and please check out more videos by All Toy Collector and have a great day.
Goodbye and have a great grocery store. Catboy, since you're not that scared of the water anymore, we're going to have some fun with the boogie board today. Who said I'm not scared of water? I'm so scared. You'll be fine, Catboy. I'll be your teacher and I'll be in the water with you. Let's go. I hope there's no sharks. Really low. There's no sharks. Wait, sit down. There you are. Cats should not be in water. Sharks eat cats' dinner. Eat me! Oh, they're nice. Wow, this is fun! Woohoo! Look, blue starfish for a blue catboy. Okay, Alice. Baby. The baby one. Look, there's more. You can only keep them out of the water for a little or else they could die. Oh, sorry for lift. Look, there's a wave. They aren't going away. No. No, 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 no. Just kidding, I wouldn't do that. Look, it's huge. I never seen a blackish yellow one. Cool. It's a pokey. There's another one. Catboy, do you think you could be brave and stand on the boogie board? Yeah. Okay, do it. Whoa. Now I'll show you how to do it. Woohoo! Jumping. better than pjmasks and Romeo. I can't ride my bike better than everyone else. Wow! You didn't see that, guys? I saw that! What? Oh no, Gekko! I'll hit him with my bike. Gekko, awesome! Gekko's a good climber. No, you're not. You can't get me. Gekko, I'm better than you. Whoa! That was funny. Let's have competition. Here, try getting up here. Of course I can get up. You can't get up here. Almost done. Down here. Wow. Oh man. Let me try. Yay. Bye bye. Well, I'm still better than you. I can make ninja wheels. I want to snap my fingers. Snap, snap. Where's my new ninja wheel? I'm here, you come. No! You're supposed to be a ninja wheel. I am? Well, someone snapped their fingers and I appeared. Snap your fingers again. Snap, snap. That's cool. Snap, snap. Wow! Whoa, another Gekko! Yeah! There was two Geckos. I don't like Gekko. I'm better than you two. Let's have a competition. Who's the best at jumping jacks? I'm awful at jumping jacks. Come on, kids, let's go. Nobody's good at this. Since no one won at jumping jacks, I have another idea. Let's play the floor is lava game. Geckos against Night Ninja. We did it! Now it's Night Ninja's turn. And Monty and I are going to win. Night Ninja looks like the pjmasks, so better than you. You know it. Next time I'll be better than you. If you want another competition, like and subscribe. And watch more videos by our toy collector.